In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly Connect to Notion, create database items. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that takes information from another app and instantly creates a new entry in your Notion database. Start by logging in to Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, click Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear, memorable name, like Notion Create Database Items, so you can find it easily later. Click Create, and the workflow editor will open, where we'll set up the trigger and action. Next, choose your trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Think about where your data begins. Common examples include a new form response from tools like Google Forms or Typeform, a new row appearing in Google Sheets or Excel, a webhook from another app, or a new lead created in your CRM. In the Trigger section, select the app you're pulling data from, then choose the appropriate trigger event, such as New Spreadsheet Row. Connect your account when prompted so Pabbly can access the data. It's important to test the trigger here. Make sure there's at least one recent example in your source app, then run the test so Pabbly can fetch sample data. This sample will make mapping easier later. With the trigger in place, add Notion as the action. Click the plus icon beneath the trigger, search for Notion, and select it. For the action event, choose Create Database Item. This tells Pabbly to add a new entry to your Notion database every time the trigger fires. Now connect your Notion account. Click Connect or Add New Connection. A Notion authorization window will open. Log in and approve access for Pabbly. Before moving on, make sure your target Notion database is shared with the Pabbly integration. In Notion, open the database, click Share, and invite the integration so it can see and write to that database. Back in Pabbly, select the database where new items should be created. If you don't see it, refresh or confirm the share settings. Finally, map your fields. You'll see the properties from your Notion database, things like title, date, tags, and other custom fields. Use the drop-downs to map each property to the corresponding data from your trigger. Be sure to fill any required fields, especially title, and match data types appropriately. When you're ready, click Save and Send Test Request. Pabbly will create a test item in Notion using your mapped data. Check your Notion database to confirm the entry appears as expected. That's it. Your workflow now takes incoming data and turns it into organized Notion database items automatically.